Hi, so I've just added my gorse bush into the terrain as a tree, and I've done it as a tree because it has some extra benefits other than just being a straightforward prefab model. And one of those is every time it creates an instance, I can set things like the minimum height, minimum or maximum height of each prefab that's generated. And similarly, I can do the same with the width, minimum width, maximum width. And then once I set the density in the brushes, it means I can paint a scene like that. If I don't like it, get rid of it. Paint some more in, just start playing around with it. But generally, I think it looks quite good. The other benefit from using a tree is that you can define parts of it that are wind-based. So you can see here that the edge stems I've said to allow the wind to affect them. So you can see they kind of gently move in the breeze, just like the grass does down here. So it's a nice effect. So apart from the very disgusting bright green colour here, it seems to be coming along quite well. It's not too bad at all. One last thing is, in my scene, it's become very bright, and that happened all of a sudden. It's a really intense, burnt out colour. I don't know what's causing that. If anyone has any ideas how to fix that, then do please let me know. But otherwise, I'll leave you with my little gorse bushes moving gently in the breeze. Thanks.